Hey guys, I'm in TJ. I'm right at the front door still. They have the throws here. The cherries are rocking. Oh, they're heart shaped. Oh, that's cute. $16.99. Oh, this is a different type of feel. That cozy knit. It's a lot of cherries rocking. I love it. Oh, the cards here, the playing cards. Yeah, $16.99. The cowgirl, right? All of that. The dice, the strawberries down here. Oh, the candy hearts and things. The big old cake. I love you. Yeah, so a few things. Yes, on the lips. That came off like it's supposed to go home with me. Oh, my goodness. Now, you better stop it on that. Look at this two-piece. How adorable is this? $10 for that. Oh, I miss these days so much. Wow. I cannot. This is so darn cute. Tahari girl, the pajama set. Look at that. I would rock this. Look. That is adorable. That one. This one right here. Oh my goodness. I need a little girl to buy for. I miss this so much. Oh, this one right here. This is the long pants. That is cute. Yes, on the Steve Madden lips. Isn't that cute? That's so darn cute. $34.99, $35 on that. The strap, nice and thick. I love that. That is adorable. Oh, they have an Aldo bag in here with the gold chain around it. This is $30. Oh, this is cute. The lips. It's the lips that's doing it for me. Yes, on that. This is $35. Just kind of clutching that around, right? Oh, here's a Madden girl for $25. So this is really simple, right? With the hearts. Oh, yeah, and it has a nice thick strap on there, too. Throw that across. Oh, the cream one is here, and then the red one. The red is ideal, right? But I'm feeling the black. Oh, and this one, too. Oh, this is Aldo again. Yeah, with the, kind of chain link, right? Going down the front. And then they have the scarf and everything. Look at the lips. Yes, on that. With all the little tiny hearts. So I feel like it's a lot of accessories on the accessory bag, right? Like chains and charms and scarves and things, which are so darn cute. How cute is this? $10 for the sugared citrus candle. That's cute. At the bottom, all sugared up. You better stop it on that. Be my Valentine. He's leaning up against an upside down heart. Now that is adorable. That is cute. $25 for that. These are all super cute. This is $20. I love these pearls going around the heart like that. That's pretty. That's really pretty. Here's the XOs, right? That nice soft, right? $20. Here we go with all the hearts. Yeah, these are pretty. $20 on that. Oh, that's cute too. Kind of like that short, We're not going past the belly button, I feel like. A more. That's $17 back there. Did I miss any? Oh, yeah, the big one. That's pretty. Nice and simple. That, kind of halfy rocking. Oh, these are so darn cute. The big love. Oh, these are cute. I haven't been to TJ in a minute. I don't think I've been to TJ this year. These are kind of like that faux leather, The tights I like to rock, the leggings, right? $17. Yogalicious. This color is fire. So yes on that. I might be getting these. Now, that's my childhood. It's a sugar daddy pillow. That is funny. Oh my goodness. It's on clearance for $13. Here's the blow pop down. The blow pop. Oh my goodness. This is on clearance too. $13. Now you better stop it on that. That just took me all the way back to school. Wow. On the black and white with the whole uniform situation, right? These are $70. That's crazy. That just really took me back. Oh, these are cute. I was about to say it was on clearance, thinking the red tag was clearance, but it's a size 7 on these Nike slip-ons, right? It's kind of like a Sherpa in there, right? These are, let me throw these on and walk Hershey real quick and fast. These are a 7 now. I don't know. I'm going to try them on. Hold on. Oh my goodness. They feel amazing, but they're a little too tight. I need at least a 7.5 on that. Wow. They feel so good too. Back on the shelf. You see what I mean? It's cherries everywhere. This is 20 bucks. Is that 20 bucks? Oh no, 17, 16.99 on a tumbler. See? This one is pretty though, right? This one is 17 too. I am really feeling this cake plate. It's a cheese dome, right? I think it's this wood color at the bottom. $7 on this, I feel like, or $7.99, $7 or $8 on this. Isn't that so cute? We've seen all the Valentine's Day stuff, but that is so adorable, that candy. Dunkin' S'mores. I don't think I've ever seen this before. And it looks so good. I think I want to try it. In the cart. Here's that McCafe loaded chocolate chip cookie. It's 10 in here, limited edition. I haven't seen this one either. I don't need it. Now see, this is the throw for me. Yes, on that, with the ice in the drink, $16.99. That one is super cute. This MK bag kind of reminds me of my Tory crossbody, right? With the thick straps and everything. This is 80 bucks. I'm loving that color too. I'm seeing a lot of suede and browns, and it's fire. This is on clearance for 56. That's so pretty. Oh, these are cute. These Steve Madden bags. It has like the cloth material with the leather, right? So that's super cute, and you can crossbody this too. So 30 bucks on that thick strap. That's what it's all about for me. I need that thick supported strap, right? Oh, it comes in this color too. Oh, that's fire. Yeah, definitely. 30 bucks. This is a different type right here, but still with the thick strap. Oh, how cute are these with the bacon and eggs with the toast, right? That is cute. I grabbed Kara some peanut butter and jelly ones from here. Oh, here they go. These are all the way Kara, right? So I grabbed these for her birthday. She wears them all the time. Oh my goodness, she loves them. Some more of the Valentine's Day is back here, $16.99. Look at this one, Dump Him. That is funny. 15 bucks on that one, Snoopy. The hearts up here, right? Oh, that's love. It's pretty with the pearls on there. That's cute. These are cute. That soft pink, right? $16.99. And then this one over here. These are definitely oversized. That's a medium, and it looks pretty big. Yes, on the cozy, right? The wand down and mama down there. These are 30. This cozy is fire. You better stop it. More on the tinies. That's 13. How cute is that? Oh my goodness. I just picked these up. 15 bucks, right? For the sleeveless. So darn cute. So that one, and then I grabbed the black one because I can throw a sweater on top of it. It'll be perfect. Oh, that's cute. Girl dinner. Oh, look at that. Oh, that's fire. That is funny. I'm all about the cupcakes. Girl dinner. Oh my goodness. Is this a large? I think I want this. Oh my goodness. In the cart. That girl dinner was 15. Isn't this pretty? Or more? This is $16.99. 17 on that. Just these hearts are rocking. That is so 80s to me, right? That's pretty. It's cute. Here goes some bows rocking. A big old pink bow. The cherries. Jessica Simpson rocking a cherry. So, this turning into a whole thing. This is kind of fire. Just kind of like a shacket, right? On clearance for 13 bucks. I really like this. I think I'm gonna grab it. It's in my size. Original was 20. It's been marked down twice actually. I see the red tag underneath, so yeah, I'm gonna grab this. Like that top I just picked up, the sleeveless will actually be cute under here. Yes, in the cart. Oh, I walked down a little bit. Here's another one. Yeah, the red tag underneath was 20. So I just had to do like another once over to make sure nothing crazy was going on with the one I grabbed. No, it's all good. All right, back in the cart. The spring is hitting. Nice to see these big old balls, right? Martha is rocking. I needed these in Disney, right? On clearance for 12. The AirPod holder, right? That's cute. Not too many cute cases rocking, you know, like themed. I was looking for some Disney ones. Look at this microphone. Isn't that so cute? It's very retro, right? On clearance for $8. Sydney does not need another microphone, but she kind of do, right? She kind of do, and I like this. Oh, wait. Oh, it's this one and this one. No, I think I like the one I had first. Nice and bright. I think I'm going to grab this for her. And Nick, oh my goodness, I just squeezed this. It's so loud. Yes, on the chocolate covered strawberries rocking. These are $5 and they have a few more, right? The donuts and things. Oh, the candy hearts. Oh, okay. Yeah, that's working. Oh, I feel like these were the ones that were in Target maybe. The OPI ones. So the whole thing is $12.99. I remember it was really expensive. They're making so much noise. Oh my goodness. So it's $13 now for the set. Oh yeah, this one too. It's $12 in here, I feel like. Yeah, 6 and 6. I feel like this was there too. I'm like peeking in that one that's kind of open. So yeah, they rocking. This is $25. All right, let me see what's in here. I'm in line. So this is for Seb, right? Like she need another microphone, but she kind of do. I'm gonna see how this is rocking. I'm about to drink one when I get home. And I did grab this. I threw this in the Daily Energy by Ollie. And then I grabbed these two, right? Throw those on. I grabbed a sweatshirt, girl dinner with the cupcake on the back. This shacket for $13 on a clearance. Let's not forget the leather leggings is rocking. Is that it? Oh yeah, that's it. Yes. All right, I'll see you soon. Bye.